Hello everyone, this is just a quick message from me to say Happy New Year and to wish you a really fantastic 2022. It's also to say a big thank you. As of this morning, I got an email from YouTube notifying me that my channel now has its first 1,000 subscribers. From the bottom of my heart, thank you to everyone who's supported this channel. Thank you for all of the amazing encouragement and feedback you've given me over the Learn Tarot course, and I hope that you will continue on this journey with me. What's for 2022? Well, coming very soon, I will be uploading the first lesson from my new Learn Lenormand course, and I'll also be uploading a series of videos about my own decks, taking you on a guided trip through the Sun Tarot and the Healing Light Tarot, amongst others. So thank you again. 1,000 subscribers, that means everything to me. And here's to the next 1,000. And yeah, I just hope you will join me for our exciting tarot journey for this coming year. Big love.